online shoppers, if you're looking for a small profile Christmas tree that doesn't take up a lot of space but has lots of Christmas spirit, this one here is the 6-foot pre-lit tree by YITAHOME, and I absolutely love it. It's got some really cool details, like really lush green foliage. I love how thick it is and the fact that I can actually see the trunk when I'm looking at the tree. It has over 700 tips in this small space of a tree, and it also has 200 lights, so it does throw off a lot of Christmas sparkle. I love the quality of the materials. It went together really easy, and when I was putting it together, there wasn't any shed on the floor, which I think is an indication of a really well-made Christmas tree. Now, I love the footprint of this because it's one of those pencil pine trees. It's really slim. It isn't any wider than under 2 feet across here. So this is great for apartments, for dorms, for small spaces, for tucking another extra tree in a corner, and it just looks so pretty. I love how easy it was to put together. It came out of the box and was fully assembled in 10 minutes. And we all know how much our time is at a premium, and that was a big plus for me. I love this little tree. It's really high quality. It has great presence in a small space, looks really pretty, assembles really well. This is my second year with this tree, and I absolutely love it. It's definitely a family favorite at my house.